If you are a beginner blog writer who is looking for ways to make money writing online, then keep watching this video because in today's video I'll be sharing top 3 ways most professional writers make money writing online. Hey digital learners, Rahul here from learndigitalwithrahul.com and welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about tips, tricks, hacks and guides to create a profitable online business and turn your digital presence into profit using various digital marketing strategies. So if you are interested in that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon so that you never miss an important update. Alright, now without any further ado, let's get started and learn the top 3 ways you can make money writing online. And by the way, if you watch this video until the end, you will also come to know about the most profitable method to make money writing online among these 3. The first method to make money writing online is write for others. Yes, you can write for others and make money in that process. And the whole process is also known as freelance writing. Since content writing is one of the most profitable marketing strategies, businesses are often in need for content creators like you. So if you have good content writing skills, you can start writing for such businesses and start earning a living just by writing online. So now the question arises, how do you start writing for others and make money writing online? Well, it's pretty simple. First you learn how to write. And by the way, if you think your writing is not so good, you can always learn and improve your writing skills and become a better writer. There are many free tutorials and courses out there. In fact, I myself share my years of experience in my weekly email newsletter that is directly served into your email inbox. If you visit becomebetterwriter.com, you may download freebies and get instant access to free resources to become a better writer. The next step is to practice writing and improve your writing skill. And once you are confident enough to start professional writing, simply reach out to businesses or clients and ask them whether they need a content writer. Now here comes the tricky part. Getting first few clients is very tough and many beginner writers struggle to find clients. If you happen to be one of them and struggling to get writing gigs online, let me know in the comments below and I'll personally help you, or I would create a series of detailed videos for you on that specific topic. But getting back to the process, once you find a client, let him or her know about your pricing or charges and also ask them whether they have any preferences for writing guidelines. Agree to the terms to make sure you and your client both are on mutually beneficial ground. And this is very crucial so that you may avoid any confusion later. After you have got an agreement with the client, you may start writing for them. Once you are done with writing and submitted your work for their approval, they will pay you as compensation for your writing work. Alternatively, you may also demand on project basis, 50% as advance and 50% after the project is done. This is the whole process of making money writing for others. And while this is how you can make money writing online as an independent freelance writer, there are many freelance sites and platforms as well where you can exchange your writing service and get paid on an hourly basis or per writing project basis. Some popular names of freelance writing platforms are freelancer.com, upwork.com and fiverr.com. So who is this for? In other words, who can make money writing for others? If you are a beginner writer who wants to make money writing online without waiting for several months, this is the perfect way to make money writing as a beginner because it's easy and doesn't require years of experience. The only cons are you will have a tough time finding your first few clients, but once you master that, there is no stopping. Alright, now coming back to the second method to make money writing online is writing for yourself. Yes, you can make money writing for yourself, and the way you do that is by means of blogging. You simply start a blog on the niche of your interest and then start writing blog posts. While writing blog posts, you also need to ensure that you are optimizing your blog articles for SEO so that it would get free search traffic from Google and other search engines. As you keep writing blog posts and do other required tasks to grow a blog, your blog finally grows and starts getting traffic. And that's when you start earning money by writing for yourself. So who is this for? If you want your own blog and turn that into a profitable business, but you have got the patience to wait for at least a few months before you start making money, then you should start a blog and try making money writing for yourself. Yes, it takes time as compared to writing for others, but obviously this has its own benefit. I'll talk about that later in some other videos, but for now, let's move on to the third method to make money writing online. And this brings me to my favorite one, which is to make money by teaching others how to write. Now, before I dig deeper into this, let me warn you, this is not for everyone because obviously I can't teach others how to write when I myself don't know how to write and not having any experience of writing online, right? So before you consider this method of making money with writing, you need to master your craft and have some experience of writing online. And if you have got that much needed experience and confidence to teach others how to write, you may jump on to create an online writing course and start teaching others how to write. Steps are pretty simple. First, you build a community of audience and nurture them. You want to ensure that such people are eager to listen and learn from you. Then you get feedback, and based upon feedback from your community, you create a digital course and set it up online with a way to sell and collect payments. And finally, you start promoting to sell digital courses and deliver the course material to teach them, thus making a ton of money as a byproduct. So who is this for? This is not for everyone. This is only for experienced writers who have mastered their craft. So there you have it. Make money writing for others, also known as freelance writing, make money writing for yourself, also known as blogging, and make money teaching others how to write. Now here comes the most crucial question. Which is the best way to make money writing online and which one should you prefer? Out of these three methods, if you ask me which is the best way to make money writing online, I would say it depends. Each of the three methods has its own pros and cons, and depending upon your skill set, level of expertise and personal preference, the best may vary from person to person. For example, if you are a beginner writer, it's not a good idea to teach others how to write. And if you have good years of experience and expertise, it's not a good idea to trade time for money, thus wasting time writing for others. So choose the one that suits your current situation the best and start making money with online writing. What's your current level of writing experience? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to visit becomebetterwriter.com to join my weekly email newsletter to improve your blog writing skills. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.